Paper towel pala to. Akala ko dryer. Here. Maybe we'll just put here. White sugar. What's this? Teka, wala akong lip shiner. Mag-lip shiner muna ako.
And before we dive into this next session, I'd just like to take a moment to acknowledge the elders past and present, and all First Nations people. So with me today from the Triple S Australia team, we have our sales managers.
Everyone for the opportunity to be here today. I'm not going to stand up here all day because today we do start with a bit of theory and we will go through some of the basics or the fundamentals of the things. There is a golf game at the back even. Like, I mean, you don't get better than that, right? At a wound care thing, you get to play golf as well. We don't want any pressure injuries by the time you leave here today. Okay, I agree. You want it to do everything. All right, excellent. Right, also has clearly.
Second day. Sakit na. No water bases.
This is all in one piece. That's a short stretch. So as an RN, you would measure.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Well, this in conjunction with this, it's only got 0.5. Oh, please don't take them. They're only samples. If you want them, please pop down your details, and we're more than happy to get them to your facility.
Red ones? Ah!
Righto, so you see on the flat surface, what we want to do is we just want to try and aim for the red ones. Tap it in.
Oh.
Have another go. Nice and gentle. Oh, well done.
Ah! Oh, cheating! Thank you. Oh, chocolate. Chocolate. This one. Thank you. What's that?
This one here, we always usually just tell people to put them on the resident's arms. The way that it's completely different to
Mabango?
any other moisturizer you've ever felt. Oil base is really good for those dry, flaky residents.